Now it's time to present to you the new 360 OMNI wheel reflector. Completely revised and made of brand new material. Even lighter, even more durable, and even better to mount. The two-piece OMNI design completely wraps around your rim and guarantees a gap-free 360-degree reflection. This multi-directional back beam increases your visibility and gives you the safety you need, no matter from which direction a car headlight hits you.
Hi guys, today I'd like to show you what makes the new 360 OMNI so unique.
Classic spoke reflectors only reflect at the sides, but they are invisible to drivers who are approaching from the back or the front. In 2017, we decided to improve this, so we designed the world's first all-round visible wheel reflector.
Our aim was to make the reflection pattern of the spinning wheel visible from all sides, providing optimum protection for bikers in road traffic. The new OMNI is made of optimized microprismatic material, and thanks to its three-dimensional flexibility, it fits every rim. The 360 OMNI spans the rim from both sides, all the way from the edge of the rim right over to the arc. This trademark design guarantees the largest possible reflection surface of all rim reflectors on the market today.
The new OMNI fits perfectly to the shape of your rim and gives your bike an extraordinary and stylish look. Due to its sealed surface, the OMNI is dirt repellent and resistant to mechanical influences. The wafer-thin material is nearly weightless and has absolutely no influence on the aerodynamic performance of your wheel. The new OMNI keeps you visible in the darkness.